Hey guys, can I get a photo of you? I do street photography. I'll even send you a copy of it. Just you guys got a cool look going there.
Sure.
Right on, right on. Here we go. Just, are you guys like a couple?
Yeah.
Right on. So go ahead and like, you know, there we go. Let's take one here. Can we do one like this? Oops, here we go. You ready?
Yep.
Actually,
Oh wait, did you get, okay.
here we go. Okay, okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Awesome. Awesome. Thanks, guys. Try to push this guy over to the left into the light. There we go. Oh, that's pretty cool. Hey guys, how we doing? Welcome back to another Ricoh Wednesday. Again, we're downtown Indianapolis. Haven't ventured out of town yet. Still working on it. Still have plans. I've got rentals coming up here. They don't start until about September. The rental market has gone outrageously through the roof, and I got some deals, but not until late summer, so it's very strange. So, and still a little leery. I'm basing on downtown Indianapolis. People are back out, but it's still a little slim in the evening, so I'm not able to get out in the evenings yet. Uh-oh, comes the mod squad. But I'm not able to get out at night, really. I am able to get out at night. I'm not able really to come down in the evenings because there's just not much going on and there's not that many people. Lunch hours are good, but that would almost require me to spend the night somewhere to be ready for lunch hour in any city. Normally you'd think, well, go around the evening or something like that and things would, you can get people, but it's going to be a lot slimmer pickings, and yeah, it just, well, it's not worth the drive, let's put it that way. If I come downtown Indianapolis and there's nobody out, that's okay. I can usually still get enough shots to justify a video, but you know, just the timing hasn't felt right yet, so stick in there with me. I appreciate it, and we'll keep the videos coming, and eventually we will get out of town. All right guys, so come along today and we'll see if we can catch some interesting people, take some interesting shots, and just have a fun afternoon. All right, let's see what we come up with. Can I get a picture of you in that suit, man? I just walk around and do street photography. That's a good looking suit right there. Whoops, let me, can I get you in the sun right here? Just a real quick second. Just, there we go. Yeah, it shows up much better that way. Here we go, right on. Excellent. Thanks, sir. Appreciate it, buddy. Hey man, can I get a photo of you? Can I get a photo of you?
Yeah, sure.
I do street photography. You got a cool look going there.
Yeah, sure.
Right on. Go ahead and put that cigarette back in your mouth. That'd be neat. Awesome. Yeah, we'll get up here, get a close one here. Go ahead and give me a look. Go ahead and look at me. Right on, dude. Thanks.
Thanks, man.
Gotta wait for this guy to get out of the shadow here. So I'm gonna walk a little slower. Here we go. Yeah, he darted out the wrong way. Dude on a bike, dude on a bike. Dude's on a bike. Try to get this lady here. Okay, we got a guy up here, a lady coming, and a guy sitting, so let's see if we can get them both. Hopefully got her looking. sorry. How you doing, man? Give me another look here. Well, I gotta go over here so we get some light in you. Okay, so there we go. Awesome, thanks, man. Actually, if I get you to step back into the sun there, here, because we're a little bit too much into the shade. This way I guarantee to get you in the video. So step back where I can get you in the sun, where your face is in the sun there. There we go, right like that. Perfect, perfect, like that. And we get one more over here on this side before you get lined up here. Here we go, right here. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Right on, thanks, man. Can I get your picture with that bike?
No.
No? You got a bike like that? Don't want to show it off? That's awesome, though.
Thank you.
All right, thanks, Ed. Hey, can I get a picture of you? You got cool, I mean, your hair's what I aspire to be like, so. Here you go. Right on, thanks, man. Here's hot dog man. Shit. What's up, road dog?
Hey, what's happening, baby? How
Man,
you
I got a
doing, man?
badass shot of you the other day. I got to send over to you.
Oh, okay, that's what's up. Send it to
It's
me.
really cool.
How you doing, man?
Not bad, not bad. Just trying to get out and enjoy it.
Open face your closed casket, my friend. Yeah, word of mouth is the best advertising.
Oh, hell yeah, it is.
Somebody out there likes me.
There you go. Kind of quiet today, talking wise, but awesome day out. Everybody's out. It is like shooting fish in a barrel now that everybody's back to work. Almost takes some of the, I wouldn't say take some of the fun out of it, but at least some of the challenge. Does take a bit of the challenge out of it when you have so many people walking, but that's okay. Guy on a bike, here we go. Oh, he took the other turn. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this one. Do appreciate you tuning in and checking it out. Please make sure and tell a friend, share, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And we'll see you next Wednesday for the next Ricoh Wednesday video. Hope you enjoyed this one. I did. Love it when it's 90 degrees outside and warm. So we'll have plenty of these coming this summer, and we'll see you on the next one, guys. So long.